Okay, so we have our temperature up to 210 degrees. And our fan is running. Once the temperature drops, the fan will shut off. Now, another thing I want to go over with you on this car, sometimes you're going to experience drivability issue without a check engine light. Sometimes you're going to be driving and the car will shut off, you will get sluggish acceleration, and the car will act very funny. Sometimes it wouldn't even maintain idle. What I recommend you do, if the car acts erratically or stall while driving and it does not display a check engine light, it is highly recommended that you clean the throttle blade inside the throttle body with a throttle body cleaner, because sometimes a lot of carbon gets built up around the throttle plate, and this affects air for idle performance. Even though you have an idle air control sensor, the throttle blade is essential. You must make sure it's clean. Also, do not remove the screen that you will see in front of the throttle body, because that screen straightens out the airflow, which means it prevents turbulence once the air is entering the engine. So this sensor here to get an accurate reading of the incoming air. Remember, the screen inside the throttle body is not to be removed, because it will give turbulent airflow, and this sensor will cause a check engine light relating to a mass airflow sensor. So that's our frequently asked questions for today. So our temperature is 207. Now we're going to go for a drive and make sure we have heat. Thank you for watching my video. Hope I can make you more.